feel it. Clap it up, clap it up. Demo clap. Come on, it's Tuesday, wake it up. Where the energy at? Clap it up. If you ain't clapping, you hating right now. Are y'all ready to have a good time? Well, welcome once again. We are back to Comedy Night on Tuesday here at Raquel's. How you doing, sir? Ooh, all right. I got an opening for security, sir. I need a bouncer. That brother looks like he ain't playing with nobody. That's one of them brothers just walking, because I said good. You know a brother's serious when they end that conversation with good. Yeah, nobody do that like, no, you ain't gonna come up to my house. Think you about to run anything. That good is serious. Appreciate the good. Say, ooh, ah. You trying to come in the place and you can. The fraternities is very serious. I was at a party one time at USC. I had to host a party, and they had all the fraternities and the sororities and what have you coming out doing their thing, right? And I just messed around and with the dogs, the guys, and they was barking. I was like, he was like, I ain't dog. Only barking, you ain't setting up. I need you to be educated to get all my jokes. That's what I need you to do. I need you to get off that bus and get with me, because we're going to have a good time on tonight. Is that all right? What we're doing, we're going to have a good time. So keep that in mind. Look at your neighbor, say, neighbor, I'm ready for a great show.